Nuair a thosa TG4 agus Pelnaman a Comóradh chéile. Ag túsan chéad, cimne siúr ag an sin ní rásím ag síl na héireann ag rialtrocht na Gaeilge. Agus ag an nám céanna, ní rás éon sím ag síl na héireann Pelnaman.
Our partnership with TG4 has been so important to the whole development of our sport. Back in 2001, we were looking for a new sponsor for the championship. Meetings were set up and they came on board with us.
I remember saying one time, if we got 3,000 at an All-Ireland final, the media would take notice of us, because at that time it was so hard to get anything into the national media. TG4 has been absolutely wonderful for us. They brought the profile of ladies football into people's sitting rooms, where they actually could physically see the game, people who would never have seen it otherwise.
And we always felt that if parents could see how good it was a sport and teachers, that it would develop. And that's what TG4 has done, and it has absolutely flourished, and the publicity we have got over those years is the envy of many, many sports.
Mar eilgur heas muid le chéile, agus gur chomhaibhre muid le chéile, daidilín fás le chéile, agus gur ire ag a level seo, tá TG4 fásta lo fech na anard ag im líana a nuair a bhí muid ag na Oscars. Agus fecinn tú an tóir atá Pelnaman is soch in éireann, so chomhaibhre le chéile agus fás le chéile.
It's absolutely beautiful. Fantastic to see some of those people who I suppose were active 30 and 40 years ago, that I have seen them here again.
74, 13th of October, we had about 250 spectators, and they were made up of families and cousins and maybe an odd neutral. We won by a point only, and I was lucky enough, fortunate enough to be the captain of the team. Like, that was a dream come true for me, that the minute the match was over, I had the cup, but I missed the ball. The ball disappeared. I don't know where the football went. So I could have taken that all right.
How long did it take you to do this?
I'm doing a PhD on the history of women's sport in Ireland, but focusing particularly on the history of ladies Gaelic football and tying it in with the 50th anniversary of the founding of the LGFA this year. It was always the intention that we'd hopefully have a book ready to go for the 50th anniversary. The title Unladylike came about as quite quickly, as I got into the research, realised that that was the kind of prevailing view about women playing football, and why there was no ladies Gaelic football when the GAA was founded in 1884, which is 90 years before the LGFA. This idea that women being breathless or running around after a football, maybe wearing shorts and having their legs on show, that this wouldn't be ladylike. It was too manly for women to play Gaelic football.
We celebrate 50 years today, but we still have a huge amount of developing to do, and I think year on year you can see the additional coverage that we're getting with TG4, the additional programmes, and that's something that we as an association want to develop even further with TG4 over the coming years.
Sílam go dtigeann an LGFA go bhfuil muide sásta go níos dubhne isteach sa cluife taco agus an agras taco agus na Comóradh taco ná mar dhéanna craoltar eile. So le cúna dé lenne seo a raibh sílam gur rud thar a bheith dearfach go TG4 agus thar a bheith dearfach go Pelnaman.